We have to assemble snowplower. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Snowplower. We did it! Let's clear the square from the snow. Let's wash. Snowplower. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble cherry picker truck. You're doing really great. Filling. Cherry picker truck. Ready. Let's place lights on the Christmas tree. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! You're doing really great. We need to assemble mini loader. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Mini loader. Keep it up. And now let's decorate the Christmas tree with ornaments. Now we need to wash it clean. Mini loader. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. You're doing really great. Let's bring gifts. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great.